In this tutorial, we will use Quick Pallet Maker to determine which standard case is the best option for a given shipment. The first step is to run Quick Pallet Maker. Now we will open the Standard Cases and Pallets window. Here we will look at the bottom table, which has the standard cases for millimeters and kilograms. So we select the last one in the list, edit, duplicate, and we will change the dimensions. In this case, we will use 600 by 200 by 400 millimeters. We will call the box yellow, and we will change the color to yellow. Now we duplicate this same box, and we create another one in which the length is 330. Same color. Now we will open a new data sheet starting from primary package. We make sure that the units are in millimeters, and we will go and select Load Multiple Packages. The purpose here is to add a shipment with a certain number of packages. That will be 25 packages, and the length will be 220, width 180, height 48. And a weight of 0.63 kilograms. Here we make sure that we uncheck Show Full Boxes and we add the package. Done. Now we will select the yellow box and we will use Fill Standard Cases. And we leave the slack the same. Tools, Recalculate. And we see here that we were able to obtain a list of boxes using the two options that we had set before. When we choose View Box Contents, we see that the first one is 600 by 200 and 400, has a total count of 19. The second one has only 6, because 19 plus 6 is 25. Then we have the second option of box that has a count of 10 plus 10 plus 5. That's 25. So now we can go back and choose the best option to use less space possible. Tools, Change Data, and we can unselect whichever one we do not like. We unselect the longer one. Multiple packages, 25, check, add, done, yellow, fill, tools, recalculate. And this will be the result that we want. 3 boxes of 330 by 200 by 400 millimeters.